a 3.5 drill bit in my drill. And now I'm going to, my door brush, I'm going to line it up and centralise it between the two door jambs. The brush is now on the slab, nice and level, with a gap at either end. I'm going to mark with the drill bit. I'll take that away. I can see my mark. Put that into position, find my hole. I'll just check that nothing's moved. I've still got my gap there, Perfect. And now I can do the other two, making sure it's flat. Mix that one in. Yeah, nice and tight. And we have a nice door brush fitted to the bottom of the door.